Here's a shocking thought. Not every vehicle is built to last. Some are money pits, while others become cherished family heirlooms, spanning decades of trouble-free driving. Want to know which ones are worth holding on to? By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 cars that redefine what it means to grow old together. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla doesn't need flashy gimmicks or bold claims to prove its worth. For decades, this unassuming compact car has quietly earned its reputation as a symbol of dependability. It's not just marketing, it's consistency. Finding a car that combines low maintenance costs with impressive longevity is no small feat, especially for budget-conscious buyers. Yet, the Corolla does exactly that. With an impressive 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating from Repair Pal and an average annual repair cost of just $362, it's one of the most affordable cars to maintain. Add in advanced safety features like lane departure warnings, standard on newer models, and it's clear why families trust this car. What's the real kicker? Severe repairs in a Corolla are remarkably rare. Number 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has become a true benchmark in the world of mid-size sedans, earning its well-deserved reputation as a household name. Its secret? Remarkable balance. While many cars in this category sacrifice reliability for flashy innovations or struggle to refine comfort, the Accord consistently delivers all three. For decades, it has impressed drivers with low maintenance demands, offering excellent fuel economy that keeps daily commutes affordable. More importantly, it has proven itself as one of the most dependable options on the road. Families trust it, commuters swear by it. What solidifies the Accord's legacy is its consistent ranking at the top of reliability lists. Its long-term value isn't just talked about, it's trusted, generation after generation. Number 3. Lexus LS400. The Lexus LS400 isn't just a car. It's a showcase of what happens when a manufacturer prioritizes engineering perfection. Introduced in 1990, Toyota poured endless resources into making this sedan a game-changing luxury vehicle. With 60 designers and 1,400 engineers focusing on every detail, it was built to compete with the world's most prestigious brands. This wasn't merely about looks. It was about longevity. Take Matt Farah's million-mile LS400. Decades after rolling off the assembly line, it hit the milestone without major engine or transmission repairs, proving its unmatched durability. Its precision design, from meticulously tested materials to smooth performance, set it apart. Today, the LS400's near indestructible reputation makes it an icon of luxury that truly lasts. Number 4. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has carved out its place as the ultimate stress-free sedan. Its design prioritizes practicality, making it a top pick for drivers who value simplicity and reliability over unnecessary frills. Where many mid-size sedans fail to provide consistent dependability, the Camry stands apart by excelling in areas that matter most: everyday comfort and ease of ownership. Inside, a quiet cabin and smooth handling create a refined driving experience, while its impressive fuel economy ensures fewer stops at the pump. Repair costs? Remarkably low, averaging just $388 a year, far below the segment average. It's no surprise the Camry remains one of the best-selling passenger cars in North America. Camry owners, on average, visit mechanics less frequently, proving its reliability endures year after year.
Number 5. Honda Civic.
The Honda Civic has defined compact car reliability for generations, cementing its reputation as one of the most dependable vehicles ever made. It strikes a rare balance between affordability, practicality, and longevity, a combination that's hard to match in today's market. Many compact cars promise great fuel economy, but fall short when it comes to lasting value. The Civic manages both. Owners report needing repairs just 0.2 times per year, below the 0.3 average for its class, with annual maintenance costs averaging an impressively low $368. This reliability isn't new. Even older models like the 1990 Civic have reached 300,000 miles without major issues, proving its long-term durability. With its excellent fuel efficiency, the Civic remains a budget-savvy, long-lasting choice. Number 6. Volvo 240. The Volvo 240 has earned its status as the indestructible icon of the automotive world. Introduced in 1974, its sturdy, boxy design prioritized durability over fleeting trends, a deliberate move that resonated with families and safety-conscious drivers. While its appearance may lean practical, its mechanics tell a different story. Over-engineering at its finest. Simple yet robust, the 240's design reduced failure points, and when repairs were needed, they were straightforward and cost-effective. Volvo's focus on safety was groundbreaking for its time, with features like crumple zones and a reinforced passenger cage. These elements, combined with its unmatched reliability, made the 240 legendary. It's not unusual for these cars to exceed 300,000 miles, with some even outliving their owners, becoming beloved classics. Number 7. Acura TL. The Acura TL stands out in the luxury sedan market for more than just its sleek design. It offers a rare combination of performance and reliability. Many luxury cars come with sky-high maintenance costs, leaving drivers to question if the comfort is worth the hassle. The TL breaks that mold by delivering premium craftsmanship without an expensive repair history. Praised for its strong resale value, it appeals to those who want long-term quality and a smooth driving experience. Whether taking on winding roads or handling day-to-day commutes, the TL offers balanced performance that keeps drivers coming back. This dependability and practicality set it apart, earning the TL a loyal following of drivers who value enduring luxury that doesn't demand constant upkeep. Number 8. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Mazda MX-5. Miata is proof that a sports car can be both thrilling and dependable. Many assume all sports cars are costly maintenance nightmares, but the Miata flips that narrative. Its simple design not only keeps weight low for better handling, but also makes repairs significantly less expensive. Parts are affordable, and enthusiasts often perform maintenance themselves, adding to its practicality. One NA Miata clocked over 200,000 miles with only minor work needed, like a new radiator. Awards back the data, too. Consumer Reports named it the most reliable car of 2020, combining the playful charm of a British roadster with Japanese reliability. The Miata turns heads, but more importantly, it wins hearts as a truly enduring driving companion. Number 9. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser was born to conquer challenges, first appearing in 1957 with a rugged, military-inspired design. It wasn't just built to navigate rough terrains, it was built to dominate them. But here's the big question. Can something so tough also offer affordability in the long run? The answer lies in its proven endurance. Known for reliability in extreme conditions, the Land Cruiser's robust engineering has earned global recognition. Whether hauling families through deserts or cruising on suburban streets, it thrives where others falter. Its reputation for reaching high mileage, even in hostile environments, makes it more than a vehicle. It's a lifetime companion. This blend of off-road grit and long-term dependability has turned the Land Cruiser into a true automotive legend. Number 10. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback offers a rare blend of practicality and rugged dependability, making it a favorite for drivers seeking versatility. It's a tall order to create a car equally suited for mountain trails and grocery store runs, yet the Outback thrives in both scenarios. With a 3.5 out of 5 reliability rating and an average annual repair cost of $607, well below many competitors, it balances affordability and long-term value. Designed with adventure in mind, its off-road capabilities handle tough terrain while remaining comfortable for everyday use. Families particularly appreciate its spacious interior, offering above-average cargo capacity for gear or groceries. Add in modern tech features, and the Outback doesn't just perform. It enhances convenience, reliability, and versatility. Few vehicles deliver it better. Reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about forming a partnership with your car. A reliable vehicle isn't a disposable purchase. It becomes a constant in your life, adapting to your needs as the years go by. Choosing wisely means ensuring not only fewer repair costs, but also the peace of mind that comes with dependability. Reliable cars allow you to focus on the road ahead without worrying about expensive surprises. So, take the time to research and invest in something that will grow alongside you. The right choice isn't just practical, it can be one of the most rewarding decisions you'll make.